Did you know the average professional overpays hundreds, sometimes thousands in taxes every year without realizing it? Today, I'm breaking down simple legal pro strategies that can keep your money where it belongs in your pocket. This isn't about shady loopholes or tax evasion. This is about smart planning. Whether you're a 9-to-5 employee, freelancer, or small business owner, there's something here for you. Let's jump into the top strategies that tax pros use every single year. Strategy number 1. Max out your pre-tax contributions. That means your 401k or RRSP HSA and traditional IRA. Every dollar you put in reduces your taxable income. In 2025, you can contribute up to $23,000 to a 401k if you're over 50. That's money that grows tax deferred and lowers your bill now. Think of it as paying yourself instead of the IRS or CRA. Strategy number 2, don't skip deductions. Most people miss out on write-offs they totally qualify for. If you work from home, that home office deduction could be worth hundreds. Drive for work? Mileage is deductible. Got student loan interest? That too. Keep good records. A few receipts can mean big returns. Strategy number 3, tax loss harvesting. If you're investing and you've got losing stocks or crypto, selling at a loss can actually reduce your taxable gains and even offset up to $3,000 of your regular income. This is a move pros make at year-end. Sell the losers, reduce your taxes, and reinvest smart. Strategy number 4, structure your business smart. If you're self-employed or a freelancer, switching to an S-Corp could save you thousands in self-employment taxes. Instead of paying tax on your entire income, you pay yourself a reasonable salary and take the rest as a distribution, which is taxed less. Not for everyone, but if you're making over $50,000 as a solopreneur, it's worth asking your CPA about. These are just a few of the ways you can legally and smartly avoid overpaying taxes. The key is planning ahead, not waiting until tax season. If this helped you out, give it a like and hit subscribe. I've got more tips coming to help you keep more of what you earn. And drop a comment if you want a deep dive on any of these strategies. See you next time.